10 skincare tips you should follow religiously. Healthy skin is really one of the most important ingredients for beauty enhancement. This video on skincare tips is an effort to bring the 10 best skincare tips to you. The list of skincare tips has been restricted to 10 because anything more than that would not only be difficult to remember but also shadow the more important skincare tips. So let's see what these top 10 skincare tips are. 1. Knowing your skin type is one of the most important skincare tip. This is important because not every skincare product suits everyone. In fact, all the skincare products specify the type of skin they cater to. 2. Drink a lot of water. This will not only keep your skin moist but will help in overall upkeep of your health, and in turn your skin. It might seem a bit awkward to some, however, this is an important skincare tip. 3. Cleanse your skin regularly, 1 to 2 times every day. A very effective skincare tip that helps in getting rid of the dirt and other harsh elements from your skin. Cleansing is especially important when you have been out of your house and hence exposed to pollutants, dust, etc. This skincare tip also advocates the use of lukewarm water for cleansing. Hot and cold water, both, cause damage to your skin. 4. Be gentle, after all it's your skin. Don't scrub, exfoliate too hard or too often. Similarly, don't apply too much or too many skincare products. A must-to-follow skincare tip. Is this video being helpful? Then hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. 5. Keep your skin moist at all times. This is one of the most important skincare tip. Don't let your skin get dry. Dryness causes the outer layer of your skin to break, leading to a rough and unattractive appearance. Use moisturizers, emollients. Moisturizers work best when applied while the skin is still damp. 6. Avoid the use of soap on your face. Soap should only be used from below the neck. A small but important skincare tip. 7. Use sunscreen to protect yourself from sun's harmful UV radiations. You can use daytime moisturizers that have sunscreen built into them. Use them even when it's cloudy. UV radiations are known to cause skin cancer, so follow this skincare tip without fail. 8. A bit of exercise and good sleep are essential too, not just for skincare but for your health as a whole. Lack of sleep can lead to formation of wrinkles below your eyes, and lack of exercise can cause your skin to slack. Moreover, exercise and sleep also help in beating stress. So besides being a skincare tip, this is also a healthcare tip. 9. Treat skin dilemmas with care. This skincare tip is about not ignoring any skin dilemmas. Consult your dermatologist before you go on to use a skincare product, lest you do end up harming your skin even more. 10. Beat the stress. The harmful effects of stress are known to everyone, however, sometimes stating the obvious is essential too, and hence this skincare tip found its place here. Yes, stress harms skin too. So, take a break or indulge in a warm bubble bath or just get good sleep. We thank you so much for watching. If you've liked the video, give